Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever looked at a caterpillar munching on a leaf and thought, how does that little squishy worm turn into a majestic butterfly? It's one of nature's most mind-blowing transformations, and it's called complete metamorphosis. This isn't just a simple growth spurt, it's a radical, full-body makeover, involving 4 distinct stages: the egg, the larva, the pupa, and finally, the adult. It's a journey filled with incredible biological processes that allow these creatures to completely reinvent themselves. Let's dive in and see how this magic happens. Before we go stage by stage, it's worth noting that not all insects undergo complete metamorphosis. Some, like grasshoppers, go through what's called incomplete metamorphosis. With them, the young, called nymphs, look pretty much like mini adults, just without wings. They just grow bigger and shed their skin a few times. But for butterflies? Oh no, they go all out. Their life stages look entirely different from each other, which is just wild if you think about it. It allows each stage to have a completely different job and habitat, which is super efficient biologically. Every incredible journey begins with a tiny step, or in this case, a tiny egg. Adult female butterflies carefully lay their eggs, often one by one, on a specific host plant. This isn't just any plant, it's usually the exact type of plant the future caterpillar will need to eat to survive. These eggs are super small, sometimes camouflaged to hide from predators, and can be various shapes like spherical, oval, or cylindrical. Depending on the species and environmental conditions, hatching usually takes anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. It's a delicate start to a massive transformation. Once the egg hatches, out comes the larva, which we famously know as a caterpillar. This stage has one main mission: to eat, and eat some more. Caterpillars are basically eating machines, constantly munching on their host plant's leaves to grow quickly. As they grow, their skin doesn't stretch, so they have to shed it multiple times in a process called molting. Each period between these molts is called an instar. They can go through 5 or 6 instars, getting bigger with each one. The last instar is crucial, as the caterpillar will then prepare for the next, even more dramatic, stage. After growing to its maximum size, the caterpillar finds a safe spot and prepares for pupation. It sheds its skin one last time, revealing the pupa underneath. For butterflies, this pupa is called a chrysalis, a beautiful, often camouflaged, protective casing. And this, my friends, is where the real magic happens. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body undergoes a radical reorganization. Its larval tissues break down in a process called histolysis, and adult tissues and structures form from special cells called imaginal discs in a process called histogenesis. There's no eating or growing during this stage, it's all about transformation. It can last weeks, months, or even over winter. Finally, the moment of emergence. The adult butterfly breaks free from its chrysalis. At first, its wings are crumpled and wet, so it needs to hang upside down for a while to pump fluid into them and let them harden. Once ready, it's a completely different creature, capable of flight. The main purpose of the adult butterfly is reproduction. They aren't focused on growing, instead, they feed on nectar from flowers or other liquids for energy, find a mate, and lay eggs to start the whole cycle anew. While some species migrate or overwinter, many adult butterflies have a relatively short lifespan, often just a few days to a few weeks. What an epic finale to an amazing journey! So, to recap that incredible journey, it all starts with a tiny egg, often placed carefully on a host plant. That egg hatches into a hungry larva, or caterpillar, whose sole job is to eat and grow, molting several times. Then, the caterpillar enters its pupa stage, encased in a chrysalis, where its body completely reconfigures itself through histolysis and histogenesis. Finally, out pops the beautiful adult butterfly, ready to find a mate, lay eggs, and perpetuate this amazing cycle. Each stage is perfectly adapted for its role, making the butterfly's life story one of the most compelling in the natural world. It's truly a continuous, wondrous cycle. The metamorphosis of a butterfly isn't just a beautiful spectacle, it's a vital part of our ecosystem. Butterflies, in their adult stage, are important pollinators, helping plants reproduce, which in turn supports countless other species. Their caterpillars provide food for birds and other animals. This entire process is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the incredible adaptability of life. Next time you see a butterfly flitting by, or even a humble caterpillar munching on a leaf, take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary transformation they're undergoing. It's a powerful reminder of nature's endless ability to surprise and inspire us.